The upcoming OnePlus 13 is generating a lot of excitement as it prepares to compete with Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra for the title of Best Android Smartphone. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, released in January 2024, has set a high standard in the high-end smartphone market. Now, it's worth taking a closer look at how the OnePlus 13 surpasses the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Enjoy! The upcoming OnePlus 13 is rumored to sport an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus protection on both sides, giving it a premium and sleek appearance. It is also expected to feature a curved display with minimal bezels, enhancing the immersive viewing experience. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has already been noted for its Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection and aluminum frame. One of its distinctive features is the integrated S Pen, catering to users who require note-taking and drawing capabilities on their devices. The S24 Ultra's design is more angular compared to the OnePlus 13's rumored curved edges, potentially offering different ergonomic experiences. Both devices are to offer IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in various environmental conditions, supporting features like HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. The OnePlus 13's higher brightness could give it a competitive edge, especially for users who spend a lot of time outdoors. Additionally, the OnePlus 13's 2160Hz PWM dimming might offer better eye comfort for users who frequently use their phone in low-light conditions. Both the OnePlus 13 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips. The OnePlus 13 is anticipated to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, offering enhancements in processing power, AI capabilities, and energy efficiency. Additionally, it is rumored to feature up to 24 GB of RAM, making it exceptionally proficient in multitasking and gaming. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in many regions, coupled with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. Given the anticipated improvements in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the OnePlus 13 could outperform the Galaxy S24 Ultra in tasks that require intensive processing power or heavy AI involvement. The camera systems of the OnePlus 13 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra are significant features of these upcoming phones. The OnePlus 13 is anticipated to be equipped with a triple 50MP camera system featuring lenses specifically designed for broad, ultra-wide, and telephoto photography. The continuation of the Hasselblad partnership is expected to ensure professional-level color accuracy and clarity in photos. Additionally, rumors suggest support for Dolby Vision HDR recording, promising a cinematic video capture experience. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a 200MP primary camera, enabling incredibly detailed photos, especially when cropping or zooming. The S24 Ultra also offers periscope zoom capabilities, providing 5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. This advanced zoom feature gives Samsung a significant advantage in long-range photography. While the OnePlus 13 focuses on delivering balanced and consistent image quality, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 200MP sensor and advanced zoom capabilities position it as an attractive choice for photography enthusiasts, particularly those interested in capturing high-detail, long-distance shots. However, the OnePlus 13's emphasis on producing well-balanced photos with accurate colors may appeal to users who prioritize simplicity and reliability. Smartphone users care a lot about battery life and charging speeds. The rumored specs for the OnePlus 13 include a 6000 mAh battery with support for 100W wired charging and 50W. This could make it one of the fastest charging phones, potentially reaching a full charge in under 30 minutes. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also has a 5000 mAh battery, but its charging speeds are a bit slower, with 45W wired charging and 30W wireless charging. However, Samsung's software optimizations and adaptive refresh rate might allow the S24 Ultra to last longer on a single charge compared to the OnePlus 13, despite the slower charging speeds. The OnePlus 13 could be a solid rival to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a more flexible camera system, unique productivity tools like the S Pen, and a strong history of software updates. Ultimately, whether the OnePlus 13 beats the Galaxy S24 Ultra will depend on what users need and prefer. What are your thoughts on the potential for the OnePlus 13 to outperform the Galaxy S24 Ultra?